Stoicism is a philosophy that emphasizes using reason and logic to overcome destructive emotions and live a virtuous life. It was founded in the 3rd century BC and popularized by figures like Marcus Aurelius, Seneca, and Epictetus. Some key principles of Stoicism are living in agreement with nature and accepting what you cannot change. As Marcus Aurelius said, "The universe is change. Our life is what our thoughts make it." Focusing on what is within your control and being indifferent to what is outside of it. Epictetus stated, happiness and freedom begin with a clear understanding of one principle. Some things are within our control and some things are not. Controlling your emotions through reason rather than being controlled by them. Seneca wrote, "Our plans miscarry because they have no aim. When a man does not know what harbor he is making for, no wind is the right wind." Doing your duty with wisdom, justice, and courage. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing about what a good man should be one."